Hello and welcome to this Gates installation video for belt-in-oil timing drive systems. We're going to replace the timing belt kit on this EB2 type engine, but please be aware there are several engine variations. Therefore, installation instructions and tooling requirements may vary from what is shown during this video. We need to ensure the engine timing is set correctly before removal of anything. Remove the camshaft cover, turn the crankshaft clockwise until the upper flat side of the tool is pointed upwards. Fit and secure the intake camshaft tool. Fit and secure the exhaust camshaft tool. Rotate the engine slightly in a clockwise direction using the crankshaft pulley fixing bolts to align the engine flywheel locking position. Insert the locking tool into the hole located on the flywheel. Remove the crankshaft pulley and the timing belt cover, and we also need to remove the tensioner and the idler, the crankshaft pinion and hub assembly, the crankshaft oil seal, the camshaft plastic covers and fixing bolts, and the camshaft defacers. Installation. Install the timing belt from the top of the engine. Refit the crankshaft pinion hub assembly, ensuring the correct position of the hub keyway and crankshaft flat. The crankshaft pinion flange should be on the crankshaft side. Loosely install the fixing bolt. The camshaft defacers are marked with IN for inlet and EX for exhaust. Refit the defaser on the inlet camshaft. Fit the new fixing bolts. Refit the defaser on the exhaust camshaft and fit the new fixing bolt. Tighten both the new fixing bolts using the correct tool. We now need to refit the idler roller and fixing bolts, the tensioner, and loosely install the fixing bolts. Rotate the tensioner anti-clockwise, applying tension to the timing belt. Now tighten the tensioner fixing bolts and the new crankshaft fixing bolts. Install the new crankshaft oil seal. Install a new timing belt cover seal and refit the cover with the 4 fixing bolts. Refit the plastic covers. Refit the crankshaft pulley with 6 new fixing bolts. Remove the camshaft crankshaft locking tools and perform 2 complete rotations of the engine. Now refit all the locking tools to ensure the timing is correct. Check the tool is locked correctly by turning the crankshaft clockwise and anti-clockwise. If timing is correct, you can remove all the locking tools and refit all parts removed previously.